of our project is to save water. Filtration is a condition of life. We have explored some physical and chemical properties of water. It's very important to protect our body from consuming poor quality water. The aim of our project is to study the concept safe drinking water for human health. Investigate some filtration water methods and learn how to make a filter.
Our task is to research all negative effects of consumption of water with dangerous impurities.
What does it mean, the drinking water? The drinking water is kind of water without virus, impurities or bacteria. The drinking water is normal for consumption if it corresponds to sanitary and hygienic norms.
How is it possible to find out that your water is safe? It hasn't got any smell or color. If water has specific color or smell, it can be dangerous.
Let's talk about formation sediments in water. Sediment has a lot of substances that can be dangerous for your health.
The impact of sediment on your health is really serious. If you consume water with dangerous impurities, it can lead to some problems with your digestive system or risk of developing different diseases.
How is it possible to get rid of sediment? The answer is clear. Use filters, boiling water, and of course, test water.
The topic of our task is to find out some cleansing water methods and the most effective to save human health.
There are some methods of water purification, and namely boiling, chlorination, industrial filtering, defending, ultraviolet treatment, and natural filtering. Water filters are made to separate water from different harmful substances. The simplest filters use special walls that let through only clean water. But some harmful bacteria can pass through with water. So some of more powerful filters are using different substances such as flint that can separate and remove all of the bacteria that might be harmful for your organism. Our task was to Morszynska water, Myrgorodska, Truskavecka water.
This type of water is recommended by doctor if you have any problems with your digestive system. This kind of water is very useful to remove toxin substances from the body. Moreover, such water can cope with problems that are connected to poisoning.
Myrgorodska water makes your immune system stronger and provides great metabolism.
Such water can influence and improve your endocrine system. By the way, it can reduce sugar level in your blood. However, before the usage, you need to consult a doctor. Truskavecka water protects your body from dangerous substances.
Such water maintains the body's water level and is suitable for daily usage.
To sum up, Morshinska water is good for drinking every day. Truskavecka water is good for healing problems with liver and kidneys. And Mirgorodska water is good to heal different diseases with your stomach. In this project, we found out how does chemical influence the health of your organism. Also, we found out different methods of how we can clean water, and we found out what types of water are good for healing different diseases in your organism.
Our practical part was filters that filtrate water. So, first, we've created the model of filters using 1, 2, 3 design. Alexei printed the 4 filters with the 3D printer. Then we made some filters and tested them.
The first filter consists of 1 layer of fabric. The second filter consists of 2 layers of cotton pads and 16 layers of gas. The third filter consists of 2 layers of cotton pads, 8 layers of gas, 3 cotton pads with iodine, crushed charcoal, sand and gravel. The first filter looks like the third filter, but without cotton pads with iodine.
Apart from this, we learned disinfection methods. The first, boiling, for the last 1 minute. This kills all bacteria, viruses and most parasites. The second, iodine-soaked cotton. And the third, that's sunlight exposure. Water can be left in the sun for 6 hours or for 2 days if it's cloudy.
Our research consisted of 2 parts. The first part was filtering water from the lake. We assumed that the third and fourth filter would be better because they contain many layers of different substances and materials.
Our observation. The first filter filtrated only huge pieces of dirt, and water was muddy. The second filter, water was clean. Filter filtrated well. The third filter, water was clean, but it was with yellow color because it due to iodine baths. And the fourth filter, water was clean and filter filtrate well. Inclusion, the first and the second filter filtrate the best.
The second experiment was green water. The first filter didn't really work because the water didn't change its color. Second filter, the water became a bit lighter green, and in the fourth filter, for the first time the water was light, but then it became slightly greenish. In conclusion, second and fourth filter did work, and the fourth filter was the best.
Where can we use filters? Filters can be used we go heating or fishing. You can also use steam where there is no drinking water at home.
Thank you for your attention.
Now you may ask questions. I have a question. What do you put to the water to make it green? It's a question for Olena.
Yes, we put a green dye
Що
in.
це за зелена вода? Що ви подали зелену воду, що
We put a green dye in water.
Вони просто так тут назвали зелену вода, так і пішов.
Є питання, звідки на землі з'явилась вода?
About our presentation.
Це ж про воду.
But not our presentation.
А щодо припущень? Звідки?
Є припущення?
Ну, вона, скоріш за все, утворилась після... вона, скоріш за все, утворилась після Великого вибуху і вона сформувалась на землі, через те, що з'єдналась молекули повітря та води.
Добре. І ще таке питання. Чи може вода горіти?
Так, ну якщо бензин налив,
Ну, один з приходів це був грецький вогонь. Це з історії вивчали. Там горіла вода.
Okay, I have a question. If you are surviving somewhere in the forest, so you have two options. For example, drinking rainwater or drinking water from the river. What would you choose? And what kind of filtration would you make?
It's same because when rain go, sun put this water for lakes, rivers, and it is the same. It's same for river and rain. It's same water.